Around here, guys. In my kitchen, me there. Yeah, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Yeah, today I'll be doing some jerk chicken and rice and peas. Yeah, man, it's sunny and lovely on the outside, so I decided I'm gonna do some jerk chicken. Yeah, man. So yeah, I already seasoned up my jerk chicken from overnight. I didn't get to video it, but anyhow, I still show that to you. So yeah, so this is my jerk chicken. This is my chicken that's seasoned up from overnight. Yeah, hope you can see that. Yeah, so it's nothing hard, it's simple. Just get your scallion and your thyme and your scotch bonnet, your garlic, pimento and all them things, and blend them up. Yeah, otherwise you can use one of these. You don't have to go all through that. Just get one of these and put it on your meat from overnight and let it go and soak in. Yeah, man, and you're good to go. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna sort out the jump pan, get it up and running, get the coal in. Yeah, I mean, so my peas is on the fire cooking as well, so I'm gonna show that to you. So stay tuned, soon come. Hey guys, check in. Yeah, man, my peas finished cooked. So yeah, I'm gonna get some coconut milk in there. And I'm gonna get some thyme in there as well, already washed. And some spring onion and some scallion, I'm gonna get them in as well. Just cut them up. And yeah, man. I want green pepper, get it in as well, yeah. Get some butter in. Alright, let me show you. So there I've got my gravy for my jerk chicken, guys. So I'm making some jerk chicken gravy, yeah. Yeah, man. It's not really need no meat, you know, guys. When I cook my rice, I don't really need no meat to eat with my rice, you know. Can just eat on its own like that. Yeah, man. No word of that, guys. It's not good. Yeah, I'm gonna get a few. Get a few pimentos. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just alright, meanwhile this thing will go and bubble up. I'm gonna get the chicken on the grill, so before that, let me wash the rice and just push in the bottom. Then I move to the chicken. I already washed this rice. I already washed my rice, guys. So we'll get another wash. Yeah. Get it in. Get it in here quick and fast. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna clean off my grill to put the chicken, so stay tuned and soon come. So yeah, guys, yeah, man, that's the chicken on the grill right about now, steaming away. Yeah, man. So just stay tuned and watch. much going on, guys. Yeah, man. So yeah guys, stay tuned. You guys check in. Then when I get them thing turn up, I'm checking your turnover now on the grill. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so we're going. Yeah man. Chicken a jerk. And never went planting on the grill as well. Yeah. So yeah guys. As soon as this finish, yeah man, I'll show you what's going on. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, rice and peas finish now. Yeah man, the boat land. See it there? Yeah, rice and peas ready. Yeah man. Gravy over here, gravy ready as well. Yeah, and then over here we have the jerk chicken. Yeah man, that is it. That is the style. Yeah man, look at it, juicy. You see how juicy they are guys. Nothing burn up around here. Yeah man, and me have a one who was planting over here. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm gonna plate up some in a minute. Yeah man, you will see how me deal with it, so stay tuned. Soon come. Yeah guys, check in. Yeah man. So the boat land, as we say, yeah. So this is my finished product, my jerk chicken, yeah. And I've got a roast plantain over there as well, right plantain, right, roast plantain over here. Yeah man. I'm gonna have some of that as well. Yeah, and this is my dinner. Yeah man. Jerk chicken, rice and peas. Some vegetable on the side. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm making know what's going on, yeah man. Let's have some of my jerk chicken. Got this. That one. The real thing, this guy, the real thing. Come on. Get the skin out this plantain. Real thing, Jamaican roast plantain. Yeah, man. That it is style. So I'm gonna dig in. Boy! It's wicked, guys. Wicked. Come on. Come on. So delicious. Look at this, guys. Juicy jerk chicken. So you guys, we have made it to the end of another video. So all you need to do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, yeah, man. We are catching you now. Catch you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Yeah, man. We're around here, guys. In my kitchen, me there. Yeah, man.